You have the right to organize at work. Are you feeling unsafe at work? Do you think you and your coworkers are underpaid? You have the right to demand better. Organizing with your coworkers can help you put pressure on your boss to make sure your workplace is fair. It can be scary to bring up issues at work, especially if you have a precarious financial situation or immigration status. But if you get together with your coworkers and demand better together, you can't be fired or retaliated against for bringing up issues with your employer. How do I organize at work? The first step is to talk to your coworkers. If you're feeling unsafe or underpaid, others likely are too. You are protected under the law as long as you talk to just one other person at your work about your issues. And the more people you talk to, the more power you have and the better your chances are of getting what you need at work. 2. Come up with a list of demands together. This could be for higher wages, better benefits, improved scheduling or communication, more safety measures or protections, and anything else that you need. 3. Put those demands into a letter or petition and give it to your boss. Get as many people as possible to sign on, and consider presenting the letter together so your boss knows you're serious. 4. Consider whether to go public with your demands to put pressure on your employer. You can find a list of unions and other groups that may be able to help you go public at phillyworkersrights.org/organize. If your boss refuses your demands or doesn't take your petition seriously, you have a few options. 1. You have the right to form a union. Employers must bargain over terms and conditions of employment with a union. Talk to a union about the process of getting recognized. Note that some workers are shut out of this process, like independent contractors and domestic workers. 2. You have the right to strike, but with limitations. Striking over an unfair labor practice is protected, and strikers cannot be replaced. Striking over economic demands has less protection. Talk to a union or a lawyer. 3. You can look for the help of a lawyer if your boss is breaking the law. Lawyers can help you get back owed wages or enforce your rights at work, but it can take a long time and may not help change the culture of your workplace the way that organizing can. 4. If you raise concerns with your coworkers and face retaliation, like being fired or demoted, you can file a complaint with the National Labor Relations Board within 6 months of the retaliation. Call 1-844-762-NLRB to file or to ask questions about your rights. If you are facing a legal problem at work that organizing can't solve, community legal services may be able to help. Find resources online at phillyworkersrights.org or call 215-981-3700.